Welcome. If you've ever wanted to forward a funny or memorable GIF from a group chat on Instagram while using your PC, you're in the right place. With the latest Instagram update, sharing GIFs from your group chats is easier than ever. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to forward a GIF from a group on the Instagram app for PC. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main page, look to the left side of your screen and click on the messages icon. This icon looks like a paper airplane and will take you straight to your direct messages. Next, scroll through your conversations and open the group chat where you found that perfect GIF you want to share. Once you're inside the group chat, take a moment to find the exact GIF message you'd like to forward. It might take a second if your group is super active, but once you spot it, you're ready for the next step. Look closely at the GIF message. You'll see 3 dots next to it. These are your options for managing the message. Click on the 3 dots and a small menu will appear. From the menu, select the option that says Forward. Instagram will then prompt you to choose the recipients for your forwarded GIF. You can pick one person, multiple friends, or even another group. Just click on the names of those you want to send the GIF to. Once you've selected your recipients, all that's left to do is click Send. And just like that, your chosen GIF is on its way to your selected friends or groups. That's all there is to it. With these quick and easy steps, you can keep the laughs and reactions going by forwarding GIFs from your group chats on Instagram, right from your PC. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing.